Hello, little readers. Are you ready to level up your reading skills? Today, we will practice sentences that start with the word I. Let's begin. I have a hat. Read it again. I have a hat. Now it's your turn. I see my cat. Again. I see my cat. Now you give it a try. I have a toy. Let's read it again. I have a toy. Now you give it a try. I see a bright star. Let's read it again. I see a bright star. Now it's your turn. Great job. Remember to keep practicing. I'll see you later.
Did you know that you can support the growth of P.Kids by going to my Ko-fi page and donating there? Or you can visit the shop and purchase one of the items that I have for sale. I have some wooden toys available, some ebooks, some e-cards, and also some games on there. And if you want the physical copy of one of my books, then you can go on Amazon and type in my name, Lavesta Posey. You can see the physical copies of my books that I have available there and have those delivered to you. So thanks again for supporting P.Kids, and I'll talk to you later.